editing, I just wanted to let you know I gave my mom permission to put makeup on my face. Isn't that right, Mom?
Yes. Thank you, Justine.
You're welcome. Let's get on to the video. It's not working.
Okay, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Today I'm going to make up for my daughter Justine. Hope you like this video, guys. And if you're new there, please don't forget to subscribe and then click that notification bell so you will be notified for the next video, guys. Okay. Hope you enjoy this video at the end. And then foundation first. Okay. Whoops, fall down. Thank you. So I just gonna put or squish this one.
Squish. Yeah, squish.
Squish. No. Press. Push. Yes, push like that. Just a little. More. Okay, more. That one.
Ooh, that's a lot, Mom.
That's a lot. That one, guys.
That's a lot.
That's a lot. Okay. Now I'm gonna put on your face and the cheek first. and that. 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 Get some that one because there's a lot there. Okay, now I'm gonna put hair too there like that now. So look at her face. Now I'm gonna rub it like this. What?
It's amazing.
Oh, let me see the other side.
It's blended in perfectly.
This side. Hope I'm gonna do it right, guys. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's not good to do that one there, Jessie.
It's fine.
It's fine? I think it's done right now. And I do this one in here too, so it matches in your. So I need to put foundation, I think, in here. Take this, huh? So it matches in your face.
You can put more.
I put more. So I put some on the neck, so it's like matching on your face there. You wanna do it? I'm not good in doing makeup, guys. So we're just making this like just a funny session makeup. Yeah, funny session makeup, Justine.
Sure.
All right, guys. That one. What do you think, Justine? What do you think? All right, now that one. So next is I'm gonna put. What I'm gonna put next?
Do whatever you think.
I'm gonna put blush on. The blush. Now this brush.
I'm not gonna tell you.
So I use this brush for her blush. So which one? That one. So she likes this color, guys. Alright. So now I'm gonna take this up. Oh. That's right.
Just do.
This because that's a lot in there. On the other side, I need to wipe it. I think I put too much. like that. On the other side, make it the same color. I think that one, guys. Yeah, I think that's good. I think that's good, guys. I think that's good. Yeah, it looks good now. Even just have blush on.
I have
Okay.
smooth skin.
Yep, and I think next is the eyebrows. The eyebrows is next. Where is it? So this one.
Just use one of the dark browns.
So I use the dark brown, guys, for
It's
her.
meant for eyeshadow, but
Uh,
I'll just.
so I put this one in here, guys.
Eyeshadow is for your eyelid. You said eyebrows. These are eyebrows.
Eyebrows.
You
So,
said eyebrows.
so this one is eyeshadow.
Shadow.
Guys, sorry.
I like to use eyeshadow for the eyebrows.
You like this?
Do you want to do eyebrows?
Where's the eyebrows for that thing?
You don't have eyebrow things.
I have. Well, this one.
Oh, use
Yeah.
it.
Okay, this one, not this one. I really don't know, guys. So this one is the eyebrows. So now this one I'm gonna use for the eyebrows, guys. Yep. This one. Start.
They're meant for shaping your eyebrows, but okay.
There, like that. That one.
I love them.
You like it? Good. I'm not finished yet. I'm just gonna do that one like that. And the other one. What? What's funny? Wait, this one. Not finished yet.
I'm a monster.
No, it's not gonna be.
It's blurry.
Huh?
It's blurry. Oh.
I'm gonna do this. What I've heard that eyebrows, they're not the same. Your eyebrows not the same. Mine is not the same. They are
You
different.
can shape them.
Yeah. Okay, now this one I'm gonna put the eyeshadow.
Pick any color, I don't care.
Okay, any color. I like the pink one.
Use it.
This one.
Any. I
Okay.
don't care. I like them both.
Okay, I put that one. So this side. Put it on the face.
You're doing it very lightly.
What do you think? Huh? I'm gonna put that one, this one on the other side as well. This one. I think. Other is the same.
You're
Now I'm
going onto my nose and then looking at.
Mm. I think that's it. I think that's it.
I hate this one.
And now I'm gonna put a brown hair in here. I think a brown
On my.
on top a bit.
Oh.
So this one is that one, and then I put this one. I put that one.
Do whatever. Brown and pink. Wow.
Just in here. I think. Other side. Yeah. What do you think? No, sir. Close your eyes.
I don't know why I opened them.
What do you think? Now I'm gonna put your eyelids. Which one here? The eyelid. Eyelid, where are you?
Eyelid. Eyeliner.
Eyeliner.
That's for making the wings. The little flicks.
Okay.
I loved.
Which one?
Let's see. This one's the pencil.
That's the eyeliner.
Yeah, use this one.
So this one is the eyeliner, guys. I think I need to put this one here, just in like that. You don't want?
I don't want at the bottom.
Okay, just on top. Or just on top. This one is not doing anything. So just like the on top there, guys. Yeah.
Where's the flick?
The flick, you like the flick? Okay. Yes, you like the flick.
Look at that, look at that.
That one?
I can do a better flick than that.
This side. That one. Huh? I think I need to put more this side. Oh. That one. They're the same now, I think. Yeah, they're the same. Now, next. Where's the lid of this?
Right here.
Yep. Thank you. Now next is the lipstick. Okay, the lipstick. Which color do you like lipstick?
Where's the bag? Didn't I get the bag?
Yeah, the bag.
Pick any color. First
So
time
I
I'm
think
moisturized.
this makeup is like
I just want to
cheering.
moisturize.
This makeup is like when you're a chair dancer. That's a makeup, I think.
What?
Isn't it?
When you're
When you're cheering, like for example, sa team basketball.
Yes, I know what you mean. Cheerleaders.
Cheerleaders. That's right. So you're like one of the cheerleaders. this kind of makeup, I think that's a makeup of children.
Hang on, let me go get my bow so I look complete.
Okay. Okay.
So
Look at
I'm
her.
back
Okay.
with my bow.
Yeah.
JJC one.
Now look at her. She is looks gorgeous now, isn't she? Yeah. Look at that look. And now your lipstick. Where's the lipstick you like?
Pick any.
So I can pick any.
Yeah.
You don't want this color?
Pick any.
Okay, I pick any. So I'm gonna put the honey rose. Honey rose. Alright, I put this color, guys. Honey rose. Yeah. Shake, shake.
You meant to shake it?
Yes, we need to shake like that so the mix is inside. Alright? Okay, guys? Yeah? Did I did right thing to do like this? I think I did. Okay, that's enough shaking. So now I'm gonna start putting this one on her lips. Now, we'll see the result after. The upper one. Nice. Yeah? What do you think?
It's amazing.
Look at your face. Now guys, if you like this video that I do with my daughter, then please please comment down there what do you think, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will be notified for my next video, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.